Hi, Hillary. Paul Pukas, Mosaic Insurance Alliance. Hope you're doing well. I wanted to quickly go over the proposal with you. So I'm going to scroll through this, and if you notice anything that you want to adjust, please let me know or you have questions about. So the company is Liberty Mutual. I would assume that you have heard of them. I've got the business name, as you can see here, because you've listed that you are a sole proprietor as your name and doing business as HB Cleaning. I picked an effective date of the 1st just because I'm not sure what we want to set for that. And we'll continue to scroll through here, some billing options. We'll get down. Here's the premium. So $500 for the year divided by 12 is $41.65 a month is where that comes from. And now we'll roll into some of the coverage. All right. So coverages, you've got $1 million per occurrence, 2 million aggregate, and what that really means is you can have two $1 million claims in 1 year. But we hope we don't get there. You've also got $15,000 of medical expense coverage. That's in case anyone gets hurt. There's $15,000 to get them to the hospital in the ambulance into the ER room right away. Okay, got this down as the exposure is one owner. Don't worry about where that number comes from. It's generated just because there's one owner, one operator. Because I didn't see that you necessarily had any full-time employees, I'm assuming it's just you. And here is the address we're using. I hope that is the correct mailing address. If it's not, please let me know. All right, a few more coverage options. Some of these things will likely never apply, but they come included with the proposal. Just some of the extensions of coverage. That if you're operating a non-owned aircraft, hey, great, you've got coverage. Just old traditional stuff that's in an insurance policy. Okay. The biggest thing for you, my guess is that it comes with unlimited certificates of insurance in the event that you have anyone that wants to see proof of insurance or wants to be listed as an additional insured on your policy. That's unlimited, that's fine. And the $1 million in coverage, okay? There's really nothing else on this proposal as I scroll through. We really went over the main parts, which are the coverage and the premium. And to start, it's just $41.65 down if you want to set up the electronic funds transfer, just the automatic withdrawal, which is the most common way. And I will stop now. That's long enough, about 3 minutes on the video and the proposal. If you've got any questions, please let me know. Thank you.